Anyway, yeah, this is the villa you get when you do a interval rental. We booked through Westgate through Interval, and now we ended up at Wyndham. We did a couple hour long timeshare video. Timeshare seminar, and we got passes to half off to Shawnee, a free 3 day vacation with Interval or with Wyndham, and what else? And $100 gift card. So that was cool if you can sit through the timeshare video. But we're gonna do this exit video, timeshare seminar. Sorry, seminar. That's the word. We're gonna do this exit video. Here we are. Check out our. This is our place. This is what we stayed. Everything comes with glasses. It was really nice out here. You had a really nice view out into the mountain. It had a patio, though it was too cold to use it. We didn't go out here one time. It was a beautiful view, though. No pets allowed, as you can see. We really took that to heart. They do have a really nice, of course you got this washer and dryer, tiny bathroom downstairs, pull out couch downstairs.
It says it sleeps maximum 8.
Got a fireplace, a real freaking fireplace. You have to have wood, just FYI. If you want that fireplace to work, no gas in here. So we're going to go upstairs. Believe me, we looked ours up before we came online, and it does not look anything like what it does on YouTube. Here's your bathtub. This is your jacuzzi bathtub that they promised. No jets, just a big freaking tub. So yeah, there's that. The fans run really rickety. This is the master suite. Of course, the bed was all made up when we got here. Master suite, bathroom, shower. That's really all there is a shower. You got the big tub and the showers. That's it. No jets or anything if you're expecting a jacuzzi in your room. There is one down at this is the spare bedroom. We slept on it. Bed's pretty hard in the spare bedroom. I'm going to be honest with you. They had a pillow top thing on your mattress, which is in the master bed. It made it a little softer. I think bringing an HDMI cable was good because the TVs are whack. The channel's whack. They don't tell you what kind of whack channels there are. So anything you want to tell them about this place? They did have some. You could go down and get in the pool. They had a pool and a jacuzzi. It's only open till 9, I believe. And they have a place where you can rent videos. And as you can see, they have a DVD player. You can rent the videos. That's pretty cool. Anyway, what's up, Drew? What do you think? Okay. But a crock pot would have been a really good idea so that when you came home from skiing the slips all day, bam, there your food is. But they do have pretty much everything. They had knives. Okay, well, we're leaving. They did have a corkscrew. That was a good thing that they had. The freaking laundry detergent and soap is horrible, so you need to buy your own and bring it. Anyway, please like and subscribe to this videos. Check out our other videos down in the description link. We can show you all our videos from Shawnee. We did Camelback. We went to New York City. It was super epic. Signing out.